Okay, welcome. Kindly give your attendance over here, everyone. Okay, Prerna, Dheeraj, Avigna, Jay, Dijesh. I think Aryan is there, Aditya is there. Okay, okay, all right. So, guys, I'm going to share my screen to you. Okay, is it visible? See, I'm scrolling the comment box. Okay, all right. So, guys, can anybody tell me that what lesson we are studying right now? I hope you have revised the topic. Yes, anybody among you? ओके तुमच्यापैकी कोणीतरी एक जणाने सांगा मला. Okay, location and extent. It is already finished. We have completed this lesson. Okay. Now we are studying about the physiography and drainage. Okay, of the Brazil and India because we are comparing each other. I think you have not revised the topic, friends. Do it. Don't forget to revise. Don't forget to read because multiple revisions are the key to success. Is it okay? All right. See here, physiography and drainage. In that we have seen, I have seen shown this map many times to you. Okay, Brazil of map of Brazil. So geographical explanation. Now we are studying about India. I have explained in the last lecture. There are basically five parts. Okay, India, Indian country. Okay, our country that is India is divided into five major physiographic divisions: Himalayas, North Indian plains, the peninsula, coastal plains, island groups. And in that we have completed Himalayas. I know that I have explained you Himalayas in a deep in details. Okay, खूप जास्त विस्तृतपणे मी तुम्हाला हिमालय फॉर्म कसा झाला, हिमालयाच्या आसपास कोणकोणते शिवालिक टेकड्या किंवा शिवालिक माउंटेन्स आर देअर. Okay, even we have seen the where from the Himalaya start. It is not a single mountain range. There are many parallel ranges in the system. Southernmost is known as Shivaliks. It is also youngest range. Next one is the Shivaliks or lesser Himalayas, Greater Himalayas, Himadri and Trans-Himalayan range from south to north. These ranges are young to old respectively. These mountains range are also divided into Western Himalaya, that is Kashmir and Himalaya, Central Himalaya, that is Kumaon Himalaya, and Eastern Himalaya, that is Assam or Assam Himalaya. Okay, I hope you have remember now that we have completed up to now. Hello, am I audible to everyone? Okay, okay. Keep responding in the here. Okay, in the comment box. So, guys, I have explained Himalayas in details. After that, we started the northern, okay, plains. All right. So, shall I start the next topic now? Okay, all right. Guys, here we have studied about the Himalaya. The Himalayas is the young fold mountain. I have explained you what is fold mountain. In the last year, you have studied about the fold mountain. Okay. So in that, after that, we studied about North Indian plains. This division lies between Himalaya mountain in the north and the peninsula in the south. Similarly, it extends from Rajasthan and Punjab in the west to Assam in the east. Okay, try to imagine the map of India, physiographic map of the India. Okay, where is the Himalayan mountain? Okay, at the north. Where is the Peninsula region of the India? Peninsular region म्हणजेच काय? भारताचा जो प्रदेश समुद्रामध्ये असं तुम्हाला एक ट्रायंग्युलर शेप मध्ये दिसतोय बेसिकली. तर दॅट रिजन इज कॉल्ड पेनिन्सुलर रिजन. तर हा जो पेनिन्सुलर रिजन आणि वरती नॉर्थ हिमालय आहे त्याच्या मध्ये त्याच्या मिडलला जो पार्ट आहे इट इज कॉल्ड एज नॉर्थ इंडियन प्लेन्स बिकॉज दॅट रिजन इज अ प्लेन रिजन. तो प्रदेश एक सपाट प्रदेश आहे. ओके, उत्तरेकडील मैदानी प्रदेश. ओके, का मैदानासारखे सपाट प्रदेश आहे बेसिकली. हे झालं नॉर्थ आणि साऊथला. आता ईस्ट आणि वेस्टला कुठे कुठे पोहोचलाय तर राजस्थान पासून किंवा पंजाब हरियाणा पासून. सो इट एक्सटेंड्स फ्रॉम राजस्थान इन द वेस्ट towards the Assam in the east. Okay, I will show the map. This is the map of India. Okay, so are you able to see this map, physiographic map of India? Okay, all right. Now here you can see northern plains here. Okay, northern plains. So basically this region is called the Peninsula region, south. In the north there is a mountain Himalayan range. Okay, Himalayas. So in between these two, there is northern plains. You can see this green color, okay, light green color. And here from the Rajasthan, Punjab, it goes towards the Assam in the east. Okay, you can see the green color. Okay, that green color is nothing but the northern plains. And what is the height of that green color? Zero sea level. Okay, sea level to 150 meters. 0 to 150 meters. So basically, all the region that is present, that is the northern Indian plain, it is at the sea level. म्हणजेच काय तो सी लेवलला आहे, समुद्र सपाटीवर आहे. But all the place that is present all over or around this northern plain, it is having the higher height than northern plain. See here on the north there is a Himalaya. So we know in the Himalaya there is very high altitude. Okay, if you go here, then Malwa Plateau is there, Arauli Range is there, Bundelkhand is there, Baghelkhand is there. Basically, these are shown by the yellow color, light yellow color. Now see here, yellow color. Yellow color is having height of 200 meters above the sea level. So now we can come to a conclusion that northern plain, which is shown in the green color, it is at the sea level and its height, its altitude is less than the surrounding one. म्हणजेच काय थोडक्यात नॉर्दर्न प्लॅटो हा जो प्रदेश आहे तो एका खड्ड्यामध्ये आहे. ओके, तो एक खोलगट प्रदेश आहे. अल्टिट्यूड इज व्हेरी लो and surrounding altitude is very high. Okay, do you understand this concept, this topic? See here, similarly it extends from Rajasthan and Punjab. Okay, all right. It is mostly a flat low lying area. Okay, what is low lying area? It is mostly flat see here, it is mostly flat and low lying area. So I hope you have understood why it is low lying area. म्हणजेच काय low altitude area. I have just explained you that the height is sea level at the northern plain, but all the surrounding place or the surrounding land, okay, which is around the northern plain, which is having the more height than that, than the sea level. Okay, am I audible, friends? Okay, all right. All right, so it is mostly flat. That's why it is called as plain and low-lying area. The northern plain are divided into two parts. आता हा जो काही नॉर्दर्न प्लेन आहे त्याचे पण टू पार्ट्स मध्ये डिव्हिजन केलेली आहे. The part laying to the east of the Araulis is a basin of river Ganga and is therefore known as Ganga Plains. It slopes eastward. Okay, now see here. I will again show you the map. Okay, here is the map. See here. Here is the Arauli Range. Where is Arauli? In the bold letters, you can see Arauli Range. Okay, Mewad Plateau, Arauli Range. So whatever the region present toward the east मतलब पूर्वेकडे या डायरेक्शनला. आता तुम्ही इथे बघू शकता यमुना, गोमती, राप्ती, गंगा river is here. Okay, Kosi, Gandak, all these rivers are flowing towards the Ganga and they meet to the Ganga river. So this plain is a flat plain and this is called as the Ganga plain. Okay, do you understand? All the region that is present to the east of the Arauli range. So basically this is the Arauli range that is shown in the yellow, and all the area, all the plain that is present to the east of it, all that rivers comes, originates, okay, and that get connected to Ganga. So that's why this region, this plain is called as the Ganga plain. Okay, and it slopes eastward. म्हणजेच काय त्याचा जो स्लोप आहे तो ईस्ट कडे आहे. म्हणजेच त्याचा उतार स्लोप हा ईस्ट कडे जसं जसं आपण जाऊ तर तसं तसं तिकडे तिकडे जातो. ओके, so do you understand this Ganga plain, the Ganga plain? Okay, okay, all right. So this is the first part. Okay, we have seen that northern Indian plains are divided into two parts. The first part is the Ganga plain. Okay, next part is most of the West Bengal state of India and Bangladesh together constitute a delta of Ganga Brahmaputra system. ओके, काय आहे आपण त्या मॅप मध्ये बघितलं की काय वेस्ट बंगाल, पश्चिम बंगाल आणि बांगलादेश टुगेदर कॉन्स्टिट्यूट्स अ डेल्टा. डेल्टा म्हणजेच काय त्रिभुज प्रदेश की ज्या ठिकाणी नद्या समुद्राला मिळतात तर त्या प्रदेशामध्ये एक त्रिकोणी आकार तयार होतो त्याला डेल्टा असं म्हटलं जातं. ओके, तर आपल्याला माहित आहे बांगलादेश आणि जे आपला नॉर्थ सॉरी वेस्ट बेंगॉल आहे. ओके, वेस्ट बेंगॉल अँड बांगलादेश, देर इज अ ब्रह्मपुत्रा रिव्हर अँड देर इज अ गंगा रिव्हर. दे आर गोइंग दे आर गोइंग टू दी बे ऑफ बेंगॉल. ओके, बंगालची जी खाडी आहे त्या ठिकाणी जाऊन त्या मिळतात समुद्राला. सो बेसिकली दॅट मोस्ट ऑफ दी बांगलादेश अँड दी West Bengal constitutes a delta of Ganga Brahmaputra system. It is known as Sundarban. Tiger of Sundarban. I think you have heard about the tigers of Sundarban. सुंदरबनचे जे टायगर्स आहे ओके त्याबद्दल तुम्ही ऐकलं असेल. बेंगॉली टायगर, राईट? So that's why it is called a Bengali tiger because they are present in the Sundarban and Sundarban is present in the Bengal. It is considered to be world's largest delta. म्हणजे जगभरात जेथे कुठे अशा नद्या समुद्राला मिळतात तर त्या ठिकाणी डेल्टा आहेत, परंतु या ठिकाणी ब्रह्मपुत्र आणि गंगा नदी ज्या ठिकाणी मिळते सो दॅट डेल्टा इज द लार्जेस्ट डेल्टा इन द वर्ल्ड. See here, largest delta you can see here. Image of Sundarban Delta. Now here is the map. Here is the map. Okay. Now see that white place here. It is Bangladesh. Okay. Here is the and west to it is the West Bengal and Bangladesh. Now see that Brahmaputra river comes from Assam, Itanagar, okay, this war. Then it moves to the Bangladesh and it goes to the Bay of Bengal. Now see here Sundarban. Where is the Sundarban? You can see Sundarban here. Where is the delta of Ganga and Brahmaputra? See here Kolkata and Sundarban is there. So mouth of the Ganga is shown over here. Okay. So this is the largest delta in the world. And how this looks like if you take the photograph from the satellite, it looks like this. Image of Sundarban Delta. Okay. So anybody having any doubt in this? Northern plain, that is Ganga, plain of Ganga is there, and another part is that is West Bengal and Bangladesh. There is a delta present there, Sundarban Delta. Okay, all right. The western part of the North Indian plains is occupied by desert. Okay, western part of the North Indian plains. वेस्टर्न पार्ट म्हणजेच काय पश्चिमेकडील प्रदेश ऑफ नॉर्थ इंडियन प्लेन. आता नॉर्थ इंडियन प्लेन इज हियर. ओके and western part is Rajasthan. Okay, so that is basically there is a desert. Okay, there is a Thar Desert in the Rajasthan. So it is also present to the north of the, so the western part of the North Plains. Okay, it is also known as Thar Desert or Marusthali. Okay, it is called as Marusthali or desert, Thar Desert in the Rajasthan. Most of the Rajasthan is occupied by this desert. To the north of the desert lie the plain of Punjab. आता आपण या राजस्थानच्या जर नॉर्थला गेलं तर आपण काय बघू, इथे आहे प्लेन ऑफ पंजाब. हियर इज प्लेन ऑफ पंजाब. All this Bias, okay, Chandigarh you can see here, right? Ghagar is you are seeing here, Chandigarh. So basically north of this Thar or Rajasthan there is a plain of Punjab. Okay, Punjab and Haryana. It is also the part of northern plain, northern Indian plain. Okay, so to the north of the desert lie the plains of Punjab. This region is spread to the west of Araulis and Delhi ranges. म्हणजेच तो प्रदेश कुठे जात आहे, तो रिजन कुठे पंजाब पासून सुरू होतो तर तो जातो अरवलीकडे, त्यानंतर अरवली पासून तो जातो दिल्लीकडे. ओके, I hope you know where is the Delhi and where is the Punjab. These plains have formed as a result of depositional work by river Satluj and its tributaries. ट्रिब्युटरीज मतलब त्याच्या ज्या उपनद्या आहे की ज्या नद्या येऊन छोट्या छोट्या नद्या येऊन मोठी सतलज नदी तयार होते. ओके, नाउ वी विल सी वेर इज द सतलज रिवर. हियर इज द मॅप. See here is the Satluj river, very small. Okay, see here is the Satluj river. I hope you are able to see this. Satluj, okay, near to Simla. So that Satluj river move towards the Punjab, that is towards the Chandigarh. Okay, see here you can see this line, river line goes from Himalayan mountain, then it moves towards the Bias or the Chandigarh or the Punjab. Okay, here is the Delhi. So all this is because of the deposition. म्हणजेच काय, सतलज रिव्हर मध्ये जे काही सेडिमेंट्स वाहून येतात त्याच्यामध्ये जे काही माती वाहून येते तर ही माती काय झाली आहे पंजाब मध्ये येऊन डिपॉझिट झालेली आहे आणि ते डिपॉझिट झाल्यामुळे त्या ठिकाणची जी माती आहे ती सुपीक झाली आहे आणि एक सपाट प्रदेश तयार झालेला आहे. ओके. Okay, this region is spread to the west. Okay, these plains have formed as a result of the depositional work by river Satluj and its tributaries. आता सतलज रिव्हरच्या जे काही ट्रिब्युटरीज आहे तर त्या सर्वांचे मिळून त्या ठिकाणी एक डिपॉझिशन झालेलं आहे, माती वगैरे सॉइल वगैरे त्या ठिकाणी फॉर्म झालेले आहे किंवा त्या ठिकाणी सेट झालेले आहे, डिपॉझिट झालेले आहे जे नदीमध्ये वाहून येते. ओके, दॅट्स वाय प्लेन इज फॉर्म्ड. The slope of the plain is towards the west. आता याचा स्लोप कोणत्या ठिकाणी आहे? वेस्ट काळाचा, म्हणजेच त्याचा स्लोप आहे पश्चिमेकडील साईडला, पाकिस्तानच्या साईडला. ओके, बिकॉज ऑफ द सॉइल हिअर इज व्हेरी फर्टाईल. Agriculture is largely practiced in region. We know Punjab and Haryana, there these are the very prosperous states. म्हणजे त्या ठिकाणी ऍग्रिकल्चर खूप मोठ्या प्रमाणात होते. का होते मोठ्या प्रमाणात? बिकॉज ऑफ देर इज अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ द वॉटर अँड देर इज अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ द fertile soil. Okay, which is because of the deposition work of the by the Satluj river and its tributaries. त्यांनी जी माती वाहून आणली, जो गाळ वाहून आणलाय तो त्या ठिकाणी सेटल झाला, डिपॉझिट झाला आणि तो अत्यंत फर्टाईल आहे पंजाब हरियाणा मध्ये. बिकॉज ऑफ दॅट देअर इज agriculture practiced, okay, in the Punjab. So guys, this is about the North Indian plains. Very first we have seen about the Himalayas. After that we studied about the North Indian plains. The next division of the India is the peninsula. See here is the peninsula. Okay, we completed the Himalayas, the North Indian plains, the peninsula. We will start now. Okay, here is the peninsula. So before starting that, let me ask you people, do you have any doubt, any problem, any issue regarding the North Indian plains? Okay, where is its slope, where it starts from, where it ends? Okay, where, what is Sundarban, what is delta, where is Ganga plateau or the Ganga basin, or we can say Ganga plain? Where is the Thar Desert, where Punjab is located? Why the raw soil present there is very fertile? Okay, is it clear to everyone? Okay, Dheeraj, Prerna has no doubt. So anybody else? I think there are 8 members in the lecture. Only 2 are replying. What about others? Aryan, Maitreya, Dheeraj, okay. Dvijesh, Aditya, Jay Aher. Jay, where is Jay? Jay Aher, are you there? Hello, Jay, are you there? Okay, Aditya, Dvijesh, Aryan, Prerna, Dheeraj. What about Jay? Jay, are you just joining the lecture and going anywhere else? Because you are not giving any response. Okay, in the last lecture also, I have told you in the last lecture that if you don't want to learn, then you don't join the class. Okay, why to waste money and why to waste time? I think he is not listening to us. Okay, need to make a complaint. Okay, okay, all right. तर मित्रांनो, तुम्हाला काही डाऊट नाही, आपण पुढचा पाठ घेऊयात. द पेनिन्सुला. नाउ सी, the area lying to the south of the North Indian plains and tapering towards the Indian Ocean is called Indian Peninsula. Okay, I have explained you in the last lecture. Okay, the region whose most of the area is covered by the ocean, it is called the Peninsula region. Okay, a triangular region in which the two sides of that region is covered by the ocean. It is called as the peninsula region. Okay, is it clear to everyone? What is peninsula region? So, do India have peninsula region? Yes, anybody else? Anybody among you? Does India have peninsula region? I know that you have seen the map of India many times. Okay. Why you are not replying, friends? Prerna, Dheeraj, Dvijesh. I need answers from all of you. Okay. Interaction is very important. Now it is clear, but I am asking that do India have peninsula region or not? Okay. Yes, obviously India has a peninsula region. So can anybody tell me where it is located? Just write down where it is located. Okay, Aryan. Okay, okay, fine, fine, fine. Yes, we have peninsula region. So where it is located? Can anybody tell me? No, Dvijesh, it is not Andaman and Nicobar, okay, or it is not Lakshadweep. These are islands. Okay, this is separate part of the India. We started from the Himalaya at the north. Then we come to the south. There is a North Indian plain. Now we will directly move towards the south of North Indian plain. We will find that peninsula region. Yes, South India. All the part that is present below or to the south of the Indian plains. आत्ताच आपण नॉर्थ इंडियन प्लेन शिकलो. ओके, त्याच्या साऊथला जो काही रिजन आहे इंडियाचा, तर त्या रिजनला म्हटलं जातं ओके, त्या रिजनला म्हटलं जातं पेनिन्सुला region. I will show you in the graph. You see the map here. See the map over here. We have studied about the northern Indian plains. So all below the northern Indian plains, that region is nothing but the peninsular region. Okay, it is called as peninsular region. So it is tapering towards the south, okay, or towards the Indian Ocean. It is called as Indian Peninsula. It consists of many plateau and hill ranges. तर हा जो प्रदेश आहे, तर या प्रदेशामध्ये काय आहे, ज्याप्रमाणे हिमालयन रेंजेस आहे त्याप्रमाणे एक छोट्या छोट्या रेंजेस, माउंटेन्स रेंजेस प्रेझेंट आहे या पेनिन्सुला रिजन मध्ये. ऑल्सो देर आर प्लॅटोज ऑल्सो प्रेझेंट. म्हणजे वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे जो सपाट प्रदेश आहे, जो पठारी भाग असतो. ओके, so these are presents in the peninsula region. The Araulis in the north are the oldest fold mountains here. Okay, see here, I have shown you Araulis. Okay, okay, south to the north plateau, there is a peninsula region that is tapering towards the Indian Ocean. So Arauli is the oldest fold mountain in. Okay, see here, Arauli Range, Mewad Plateau. So how much plateaus are there? Mewad Plateau, Malwa Plateau, okay, Bagelkhand is there, Chota Nagpur Plateau is there, Mahadev Hills are there, Ajanta Range is there, Sahyadri Range is there, okay, Western Ghat is there, Deccan Plateau is there, okay, Plateau, Maharashtra Plateau is there, right? You can see. Maharashtra plateau, Telangana plateau is there. Okay, Karnataka plateau is there. So basically, there are many plateau, many hills over there. Okay, Malayagiri, Chota Nagpur, Satpura range is there, Vindhya range is there. Okay, you can easily see there. So all these things are present in the peninsula region of the India. What? Arauli in the north are the oldest fold mountain. It includes series of plateaux bordering the plains, Vindhyas, Satpura range in the central part, and the hilly region of the western and eastern Ghat. Okay, so basically, when we start from Arauli, then we studied about the Mewada plateau is there. There is a Marwa plateau. If you come to the south of the Marwa plateau, there is a Vindhya range. So if you come to south of Vindhya range, there is again Satpura range. From the Satpura range, if you come, so Satpura range is present at the center of India. Okay, center of the peninsula region. If you come again south, then Maharashtra plateau is there. Okay, likewise the Telangana plateau is there. Then if you come below down, okay, to the south, then there is a Karnataka plateau again. Okay, Vindhyas Satpura ranges in the central part and hilly region of the western and eastern Ghat. So I hope you have got the idea that what are different plateau and mountain ranges present in the peninsular region. Okay. Yes, it is Arauli at the north. Then Malwa plateau, Mewada plateau. Then there is a Vindhya range in the central part. Vindhya and Satpura range in the central part, that is in the Madhya Pradesh. Okay, we can say. Then if you come to the Maharashtra down, there is a Sahyadri range is there. Okay, Sahyadri mountains are there to the western bank of the India. Again there is a Maharashtra plateau, or that is Deccan plateau. त्याला दख्खनचे पठार असं पण म्हटलं जातं. Okay, clear to everyone? Okay, all right. Okay, hello friends, am I audible? Okay, all right, all right. Thank you, thank you. Harshavardhan, Harshavan joined. Okay, Harshavardhan, you are late, na? Okay, guys. So we have just seen the peninsula region. What are different things that are included in the peninsula region? So guys, करायचं काय आहे तुम्ही ना एक लॉजिकली एक लक्षात ठेवायची ऑर्डर कशी जसं इंडिया 5 पार्ट मध्ये डिवाइड आहे. कोणकोणते 5 पार्ट? नॉर्थ पासून चालू करायचं, हिमालय पासून. नॉर्थ हिमालयन माउंटेन रेंज, आफ्टर दॅट नॉर्दर्न इंडियन प्लेन्स, आफ्टर दॅट पेनिन्सुला रिजन. ओके. त्यानंतर काय कोस्टल एरिया आहे इंडियाचा, ईस्टर्न कोस्टल एरिया अँड वेस्टर्न कोस्टल एरिया. ओके, ऑल राईट. त्याचप्रमाणे तुम्ही पेनिन्सुला रिजन मध्ये पण काय काय येतं, कोणकोणते माउंटन्स येतात, कोणकोणत्या रेंजेस येतात, कोणकोणते प्लॅटो येतात. ओके, ते कुठे अवेलेबल आहे हे तुम्हाला मॅपमध्ये जेव्हा तुम्ही जास्त वेळा बघाल तेव्हा तुमच्या लक्षात येईल. तर त्यांनी विचारलं फिगर 3.1, व्हेअर इज फिगर 3.1? 3.1 is here. They have asked us some question. We will see what are the questions on figure 3.1. Okay, all right. We will see figure based upon figure 3.1 some questions. In which direction do Arauli? So Arauli जो पर्वत रेंज आहे, okay, in which direction it lies? Okay, okay, Harshvardhan, no issue. This lecture will be uploaded on YouTube also, okay, on Santosh Takale channel. So you can access this lecture over there also. So don't worry. But uh, we know that there are always problems in online mode. Okay. Okay. So they have asked some questions here. Let's see. In which direction Araulis lie? Arauli ranges act as a water divider between which rivers? Name the hills located on the plateau to the east of the Arauli. Across which state has the Deccan Plateau spread? Which hill ranges are lie to the west of the Deccan Plateau? Enumerate the characteristics of the Western Ghats. Compare the Eastern and Western Ghats. Why are the Western Ghats called the water divide? I see this figure. Huh? See here. Sahyadri range is given here. Then Western Ghat is given here. See here at the coastal area, Western Ghat you can see. Now if you come to the eastern side, then Eastern Ghats are there. Okay, Eastern Ghats are there. So now see here, Arauli range. So they are asking in which direction Arauli lies. So Arauli is at the north direction. I mean, is the north side of the India or the Peninsula region. So that plateau directs from south to the north, we can say. Okay. So in the water divider, okay, Banas and Luni. So guys, we can easily see in the Arauli region, Arauli range. So to the east of the Arauli range, we can see Mewad Plateau. Okay. Also, there is a Banas River. You can see Banas River is there and Luni River is there. So basically, Arauli divides the two rivers. Which are these two rivers? Luni River and the Mewad, I mean the Banas River. Okay. So if you go to the south, then you can see the Mewad Plateau, Malwa Plateau, Vindhya range is there. So Narmada River is also you can see here. Tapi River is also here. Okay. Satpura range is also here. Baghelkhand you can see here. Michael range you can see here. Chota Nagpur Plateau is you can see here. Okay. You can see Raipur, Mahanadi is there. Vardha, okay, Nadi is there. Painganga, Godavari, Kalsubai Shikhar is here. Okay, Satmala hills are there. Ajanta range is there. Okay, Sina river, Bhima river, Manjra river, Krishna river is there. Tungabhadra river is there. Okay, so likewise this. Even Western Ghats are here. Eastern Ghats are here. Okay, so Maharashtra plateau lies here in Karnataka also and in Maharashtra also, in Telangana also. So this Maharashtra plateau is present. Okay, Deccan plateau, right? This is called as the Deccan plateau. So some part of the Deccan plateau comes in the Maharashtra, some comes in the Telangana, some present in the Karnataka. Okay, you can see here Karnataka plateau or major plateau is the Deccan plateau, म्हणजे दख्खनचे पठार. So this plateau is a plain plateau and this plateau is above the sea level. Okay, so friends, then there can be different questions that can be formed on this peninsula region. Okay, so you have to study it, you have to go through the map, and the map everything is clear. You will get the idea that in which direction which river flows, where are this plateau for example ABCD plateau exist. Okay, where is Deccan plateau, in how many states Deccan plateau present. Okay, likewise this, where is the Eastern Ghats, where is the Western Ghat, how Sayadar range is located, where it is located. Chota Nagpur plateau, Michael range is there, Satpuda range is there, Vindhya range is there. Okay, so guys, this was the third part of the Indian physiography. Okay, so is it clear about the peninsula region? Okay, any doubt to anybody? Okay, all right. So guys, from the five divisions, physiographic divisions, we have completed three: Himalayas, North Indian plains, and Peninsula. Now we will study about the coastal plains. Coastal plains म्हणजेच काय, जो तुम्ही हा हिरवा पार्ट बघताय. ओके, कुठे गेला इंडिया. ओके, कोस्ट लाईन जी इंडियाची आहे ही टोटल. ओके, फ्रॉम ही गुजरात पासून जी चालू होते. ओके, टोटल गुजरात, गुजरात पासून जे स्टार्ट होते खाली महाराष्ट्र, कर्नाटका, ओके, कोकण रिजन, गोवा, तमिळनाडू, मग पुन्हा कर्नाटक, आंध्र प्रदेश, पुन्हा त्याच्यानंतर ओके उडीसा, पश्चिम बंगाल. ओके, हा प्रदेश येतोय. हा जो काही तुम्ही हिरवा पार्ट बघत आहात हा कोस्टल लाईनला, तर हिरवा कलर म्हणजेच काय, ग्रीन कलर इज शोइंग दॅट इट इज लेवल ऍट द सी लेवल, दॅट्स वाय इट इज फ्लॅट. Okay, you have to understand this. Okay, what you have to understand, it is at the sea level, zero. Okay, समुद्राच्या पाण्याची जी पातळी आहे त्याच पातळीला हा जो कोस्टल रिजन आहे तो ग्रीन कलरने तुम्हाला शो केलेला दिसू शकतो. मग वेस्ट साइडला पण आहे तो रिजन, फ्रॉम गुजरात टू तमिळनाडू, अँड फ्रॉम ईस्ट साइडला पण आहे, फ्रॉम तमिळनाडू टू वेस्ट बेंगॉल. ओके, दिस इज दी वेस्ट कोस्टल रिजन. ओके, कोस्टल एरिया, कोस्टल प्लेन्स. आपण नॉर्थ इंडियन प्लेन्स पाहिलं, नाव आपण वी विल सी कोस्टल प्लेन. India is blessed with a long coastline extending for approximately 7,500 kilometers. म्हणजेच काय, इंडियाला एक प्रकारे आशीर्वादच मिळालाय की इंडियाला जवळपास 7,500 किलोमीटरची समुद्री सीमा आहे किंवा कोस्ट लाईन आहे. ओके, कोस्टल लाईन. इट लाइज टू वेस्टर्न अँड ईस्टर्न पार्ट ऑफ द पेनिन्सुला. तर आपण जो पेनिन्सुला पाहिला तर त्या पेनिन्सुलाची जी काही ईस्टर्न साइड आहे आणि जी काही वेस्टर्न साइड आहे, तर त्या ईस्टर्न आणि वेस्टर्न साइडला कोस्ट लाईन आहे आणि त्या कोस्ट लाईनच्या जवळच प्रेझेंट आहे फ्लॅट कोस्टल एरिया और रिजन. So its western and eastern coastline show remarkable dissimilarities. म्हणजेच काय, जी वेस्ट साइडचा कोस्टलाईन आहे आणि जी ईस्ट साइडची कोस्टलाईन आहे, तर त्यांच्यामध्ये एक डिसिमिलरिटीज आहे, त्यांच्यामध्ये एक प्रकारे एक फरक आहे, एक डिफरन्स आहे. ओके, रिमार्केबल, उल्लेखनीय. द वेस्टर्न कोस्ट बॉर्डर द the western coast borders the Arabian Sea. ओके, व्हॉट इट इज, जी काय वेस्टर्न कोस्ट बॉर्डर आहे ती काय आहे, अरेबियन सी आहे त्याकडे. इट इज बाय अँड लार्ज अ रॉकी कोस्ट. म्हणजे जे कोस्ट आहे तो रॉकी आहे, म्हणजेच एकदम खडकाळ आहे आणि रॉक खडकाळा, वी कॅन से खडकाळ आहे. At places, spurs taking off from the western ghats have extended right up to the coast. Its width is also less. Rivers originating from western ghats are short and swift, and hence they form estuaries and not deltas. Okay, so basically, guys, we can see in the western part there is Arabian Sea. Okay, it borders Arabian Sea and it is a rocky coast. By and large, it is rocky coast. Some places there are spurs, okay, taking off from the western ghats, have extended right up to the coast. Okay, its width is also less. म्हणजेच हा जो की तुम्हाला ग्रीन पार्ट दिसत आहे या ठिकाणी, ओके, तो कुठून सुरू होतोय, जी काय सह्याद्री माउंटेन रेंज आहे किंवा वेस्टर्न घाट आहे तिथून चालू होतं ते तो कोस्ट लाईन पर्यंत चाललाय. तो एक, त्याची विड्थ पण अत्यंत कमी आहे. ओके, जो काही कोकण रिजन आहे इंडियाचा, वी कॅन से कोकण किनारपट्टी, दॅट्स वाय वी कॉल इट ॲज अ पट्टी और अ स्ट्रीप. इट्स विड्थ इज व्हेरी लेस. ओके, so it starts from the Sahyadri range, and we know in the Sahyadri range there are many rivers originates, because whatever the high rainfall is taking place, that take place in the Sahyadri range. Okay, that's why there is originated rivers, but these rivers are having very short length because they directly reach to the Arabian Sea from here. Some goes to the east side and some goes to the west side. So those rivers which goes to the west side, these are very स्टीप स्लोप, आर व्हेरी स्विफ्ट, अत्यंत तीव्र उतार आहे त्यांचा आणि त्या लगेच समुद्राच्या पाण्यामध्ये मिळतात. ओके, आणि परंतु त्यांचा डेल्टा रिजन फॉर्म होत नाही, कारण त्या ठिकाणी प्रदेश अत्यंत कमी आहे, रिजन अत्यंत छोटा आहे, अत्यंत विड्थ त्या ठिकाणी कमी आहे. ओके, okay, here is the coastal, right, its width also very less. Rivers originating from the western ghat are short and swift. As I told you that वेस्टर्न जे काही सह्याद्री रेंज आहे किंवा वेस्टर्न घाट आहे, ओके, त्या ठिकाणी ज्या रिव्हर्स ओरिजिनेट होतात त्या अरबी समुद्राला जाऊन मिळतात, अरेबियन सी मध्ये. ते अत्यंत स्विफ्ट आहे, म्हणजे तीव्र उतार आहे त्यांचा. ओके, आणि त्यांचा डेल्टा रिजन फॉर्म होत नाही. ज्याप्रमाणे आपण सुंदरबन डेल्टा बघितला, तर त्याप्रमाणे यांचा डेल्टा रिजन फॉर्म होत नाही, कारण अत्यंत त्यांची जी विड्थ आहे ती अत्यंत छोटी आहे त्या स्ट्रीपची. नाउ दिस इज अबाउट द वेस्टर्न कोस्ट. नाउ दिस इज अबाउट द नेक्स्ट वन इज द ईस्टर्न कोस्ट. ईस्टर्न कोस्ट बॉर्डर्स द बे ऑफ बेंगॉल. आता जी ईस्टर्न साइड आहे पूर्वेकडील, त्या ठिकाणी आहे बे ऑफ बेंगॉल. जसा या ठिकाणी ईस्टर्न साइड, ईस्टर्न कोस्ट borders the Arabian Sea. Sorry, western coast borders the Arabian Sea. Eastern coast borders the Bay of Bengal. It has formed as a result of depositional work of rivers. म्हणजे जो काही फ्लॅट प्रदेश त्या ठिकाणी तयार झालाय तो कशामुळे झालाय? इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ द डिपोजिशनल वर्क ऑफ द रिव्हर्स. म्हणजे रिव्हर मध्ये जर काही गाळ माती चिखल वाहून आलेले आहेत ती त्या ठिकाणी साठली गेलेली आहे आणि त्यामुळे काय झालं एक फ्लॅट प्लेन तयार झालेला आहे. कोस्टल प्लेन तयार झालं आहे. Many east flowing rivers starting from the western and eastern Ghats meet this coast. म्हणजेच काय आपण जो वेस्टकडे सह्याद्री माउंटेन्स बघितले तर त्या ठिकाणी खूप पाऊस पडतो. त्यातल्या काही नद्या अरेबियन सी कडे जातात, काही नद्या बे ऑफ बेंगॉल कडे वाहत वाहत येतात. ओके, so that all rivers meet this coast means eastern coast. Because of the gentle slope of the land, rivers flow at lower velocity and deposit the sediments brought with them at the coast. Now see, या ठिकाणी स्लोप कमी आहे, उतार कमी आहे, मग नद्या पण स्लो वाहणार आहेत. मग या स्लो जर नद्या व्हायला तर काय करणार, ते त्यांच्याबरोबर जी माती वाहून आणली ती काय करणार, ती या ठिकाणी डिपॉझिट करणार, या ठिकाणी ते साठवणार. जी काय सेडिमेंट्स त्यांनी आणलंय ते डिपॉझिट होणार आणि सेटल होणार. ऍज अ रिझल्ट डेल्टाज आर फाउंड अलॉंग दिस कोस्ट. त्यामुळे काय होतं, या ठिकाणी तुम्हाला डेल्टा तयार झालेले दिसतात. ओके, या ठिकाणी डेल्टाज फॉर्म होतात. See guys, Krishna river is here. Krishna delta are there. Kaveri river is there. Kaveri delta are there. See here, Sundarban delta is there. But this is not the case in the Western Ghat or in the Western coastal area, because there are very steep slopes. There is very swift rivers are there, and whatever the river soil that contain in the river, it directly go to the Arabian Sea. It do not get settled in the place. Okay, so guys, this is all about the western the coastal plains. So guys, now we have completed your four physiographical parts of the India, that is Himalaya, Northern Indian Plain, Peninsular Region, after that Eastern and Western coastal area. And the last part of the India is remaining, that is the island group. Okay, island means bait. Okay, it is present inside the sea, in the ocean, and it is covered all over by the oceans or the sea. So this part we will cover in the next lecture, because I think lecture I have taken two classes successively, okay, one by one, and I think we have to stop now. Time is also finishing. Okay. So this island group we will complete in the next lecture. So up to now, just tell me, you're directly leaving, guys. Do you understand anything today, or you have any doubt in this? How was the today's lecture? Okay, you understand. Okay, if you want to ask anything extra from this syllabus, you can ask me. Okay, I will try to give proper information to you, proper knowledge to you. Okay, so till the next lecture, goodbye. Okay, and good night to everyone. Take care. You can leave the class now, guys.